guys, welcome back to Beauty by Jen. You guys, I'm super happy. It's been already like 2 days that I've been trying to like vlog for you guys. It's just been raining where I live and it's been crazy. So yeah, also school has started, but I'm super happy that you guys clicked in this video. Thank you so much for everyone that has supported my channel throughout the 5 years that I've been doing YouTube. I first started doing YouTube as for fun, and at the same time I just had my first baby. I was like in a moment of my life where I didn't feel too sexy or too pretty about myself. I was in my early 20s. I was like 22 or something. Now I'm 30, you guys, and I'm feeling like better than ever in my whole life, and I'm so proud to announce that I received my YouTube play button. If you don't know what the YouTube play button is, once you reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, YouTube automatically sends you a reward. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why, but I kind of felt when I received it, when I came to my house and I saw it in my front door, I was like, oh my God, what is this? It says YouTube. So when I opened it up, I was like, oh my God, I got my play button. I already had knew that I had got like 100,000 subscribers, and plus I'm not really like showing off too much because I'm not really that kind of girl. You know, I'm more like a very natural kind of person. I'm very natural and I usually get along with anyone. I just do my thing. I mean, I started it first YouTube for fun and as well as a motivation for myself. I never thought that I was actually going to be recording YouTube videos constantly. Wanted to motivate myself and motivate other women. They are curvy and they have plus size. I mean, I've always been plus size. I don't know what it was that after I gave birth, because I never even gave birth, you guys. I had a C-section with my two pregnancies. I only had 2 pregnancies. C-section with both of them. And if you're a woman and you know that you go through a C-section, your body goes through a lot, especially your stomach area. That was like my problem area, like my thighs. Before, my thighs would be like my problem area and everything, but once I gave birth, I was like my stomach, especially the bottom part of my stomach, I had stretch marks. I had that C-section pouch that never goes away, and until this day I haven't had lipo or surgery at all, you guys. I don't feel like I really need it right now, but I'm at a point in my life that I'm super happy, so I'm going to be sharing this with you guys and basically just maybe like doing a little outfit of the day. But yeah, I'm super happy, guys. So I'm going to be opening it up. I have it right here. Super cute. It comes in a big black box, which it's kind of like it looks like a, what is that called? A boxy charm kind of like box. So, but it's bigger and more like, you know, more like bigger. And okay, once you open it up, it comes with this very nice little letter from YouTube. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, YouTube, and all my subscribers, of course. It says, so I'm going to probably read it to you guys because I want to have this like a little, I don't know, just have it for myself. It says, so it has the YouTube logo here and it says, you remember your first subscriber? I do actually. Your 100th, yes I did, and I was super happy. Once I would hit like 2-3 subscribers, super happy. Or your 1,000 subscriber, that's when I was like, oh my God, this is like, I have to do this. Like, there's people that actually are interested in watching more about me. So, you know, it says, chances are you do. Sorry guys, I'm super like hot. I'm actually drinking some Coke Zero as well, so I get usually the mini ones. So it says, chances are you do. Okay guys, if you don't really are not interested in just hearing what I am reading, then basically just skip a little bit How you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. I am super happy, you guys. And you know what, like honestly, like reading this side of the portion, like right now, yeah, my 100,000 subscriber, I am super duper happy for every and each of my subscribers. But honestly, like I'm very thankful to all of you guys, and I'm very thankful for my first 5 subscribers, because when you have 0 subscribers and you're just doing videos, you feel like you're doing videos for no one. So once that person that you don't know actually subscribe to your channel and you keep on getting subscribers, like that's like honestly like super just, you know who's there for the real, you know, to like is interested in you. So it says your fans, which I don't feel like I have fans. I feel like I'm a normal woman, a normal person. Your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about through your friend, or maybe you showed up in a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their number increased because of you and the community you've built. So thank you guys so much. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Reward. Congratulations. We know that you have many stories to share with your communities, which I do. And then it says, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Let me see, guys. I'm so bad at reading. I love reading, but I'm super bad like when I'm nervous. It says, we know that you have many more stories to share. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100th when you're 100,000 subscribers? You're sincerely Neo Mohan from YouTube CEO. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you guys remember whenever you were like in 5th grade and you got your first like award of like graduating and everything, or like 3rd grade where you would get like your little trophies and stuff. And once they will call your name, that's how I felt once I opened it. I was like, oh my God, it threw me back to like elementary, not even middle school, actually elementary. And I was a little girl and I was like, oh my God, my heart pounding, like they called my name. I was like super happy once I received this. So I'm really grateful to each of one of my subscribers. So now it has this thing to like cover it up, I guess because of the mail and stuff. It's like a little thing. So here is so beautiful, you guys. It's silver. It's a silver award. And super cute, you guys. What really catch my attention was that this is actually a mirror, so I can look at myself in the mirror, as you guys can see. Super pretty. It's super pretty, you guys. Very pretty. I love this, and I don't know where am I going to put it. I honestly really feel like I'm going to be putting it in a place that I actually record for you guys, like sometimes maybe, I don't know, but I have to, like, let me show you guys. It says presented to Beauty by Jen for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Super cute, you guys. Very pretty. It comes with these 2 little holes, which you can actually put it in your walls. So I'm actually guessing where am I going to put this beautiful award. So then it comes with this recognize your team if you want to like change the color or something or buy something. But honestly, I'm like okay with this color. It's beautiful and I'm really thankful. Like it's been years since I've actually received a school award, and now I got my first YouTube like award. Like come on. I'm actually sweating and I don't know why. I'm about to like hop in the shower, you guys. I'm super hot. And yeah, so that completes today's video, you guys. I'm super happy, excited to share with you guys this, and as well as to share with you guys that I did open up a OF account, which you guys know what that stands for. So I opened one up. Basically, I've been, I don't know, talking and posting there. Like sometimes I don't really post there, but I didn't really want to share too much of my life and stuff, like a lot of things. But you know, since everyone has it, why not share a little bit on there? And I would be making like little try on hauls, like lingerie and stuff that like YouTube doesn't let me like post here, and they don't let me post like too much exclusive stuff on here, and I know you guys are here for that basically. So if you want to follow me, my name is Beauty by Jen 31. So yeah, and I will probably leave the link down below if you would like to like get to know me more, or maybe like talk to me a little bit more. I will definitely be responding to you guys by there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I love you guys so much.